One day on the island of Soto, there was hustle and bustle everywhere. Oh, isn't it nice? Oh, isn't it nice? Paul, I don't know what all the hustle and bustle is about. It's just an engine just like you and me. And plus, it can't be respected. It's domeless. And there's non-respectable engines with no domes. Tom is clearly annoyed with Gordon. Had just moved his attention onto Duck. Well, at least it seems you were having a good time, Duck. That's underestimated. Tonight's been the funnest night ever. It's sunrise. Wait, what? Yes, he'll be here all day. Wait, oh! Duck smiled. That'll be lovely. I'll show him around the island, if you can catch up with him. Whatever's that supposed to mean? It means he's faster than you. Preposterous. Now I'm going to go get my beauty sleep. Oh, just don't mind that. It's just an edit thing. I'm not going to edit it out. Now I shall go get my beauty sleep. You're moving quite slow. Shut up. You're still moving quite... Shut up! How long is it going to take him? I don't know. It's probably going to be like 3 p.m. by the time he even gets in there. Shut up! You done yet? Shut up! Christ, I need to focus. Boom, 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 I'm in here. Ha! Your buff is a shut up! Is that good? Yeah, pretty much. Good. Later that day, Edward was talking to Henry. It's okay, Henry. I know the flying kipper is important, but it kind of sucked anyway. All Gordon did was boast, boast, and boast, and boast. Trust me, you wouldn't want to be there. Anyway, so just to let you know, you didn't really miss anything. It was just, well, he's actually staying for the entire... Faster! Faster! This doesn't look fast, but it's fast. I'm on a phone, that's why it looks slow, okay? Just be patient, okay? Faster! Faster! I'm just gonna speed this up in editing, it's okay. Faster! 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 We must beat the record. We must beat the record. Wait, but didn't we just skip Edward? Screw Edward! We have to do this. Okay, jeez. Go on, you're gonna get your dome blown off, okay? Because, bro, like, look at my head. It's gone. I got my head blown off. So, like, we should slow down. Oh, preposterous. There's no slowing down. Life is a highway. I want to ride it all night long. All night long. Life is a highway. I want to ride it all night long. All night long. Yup, here we go. Yep, this is it. I don't care. I really don't. I don't. Anyway. Life is a highway. I won't ride it all night long. All night long. Oh, I don't like that feeling. I don't like that feeling at all. Oh, God, I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. And then, pop. It came right off. Oh, gosh. Oh. Gosh. Will we at least be able to make it up? We can try, I guess. Stupid camera. I don't feel right, said Gordon, slipping up the hill. I can't anymore, he said. Sparks started to fly from his wheels as they began to spin faster and faster and faster. I can't. His wheels had soon come to a stop as he slid down the hill slowly. Oh, down we go, said the coaches. Duck. Yes, headless man? Okay. You need to shut Gordon off the hill. Why did you just yell for a second? You just mind your business, man. Jerk. Anyway, you're gonna have to wrap around Gordon and his train just so that, well, you can push him back down. Wait, he's being pushed down? Don't question it. It's the island of Soda. A crash happens every day. True. Well, steam me up. I'm ready to go. Why are you looking at me, bro? I'm not... Fine, I'll look away. Okay, good. Later that night, and, well, we were too lazy to show you what actually happened on the hill, so you get what you get and you don't throw a fit. Anyway, later that night, all the engines laughed. And by the way, thank you, Blue Train with Friends, for, well, everything. But there's only one problem. James has no faces and his eyes cannot move. Oh, I haven't blinked in 3 days. Please help me. Yeah, please fix that before you go. Please. It's really disturbing. Oh, I haven't blinked.